Hello everyone, today we'll talk about hormonal health. Before we go into detail of it, let's understand what actually the hormone is. See, any hormone is nothing but a messenger or a postman which is responsible to communicate properly from one place to another place, from one tissue to another tissue, from one organ to another organ, so that this proper communication is established and all the organs, all the tissues are working properly. Okay, so let's understand this how these hormones are impacting your health and why so many diseases are coming. Okay, so now the situation is uh, you take diabetes. Okay, people call diabetes as a disease. I call it as a hormonal imbalance because primarily insulin, which is a hormone, is responsible for all these issues. Okay, for diabetes. So, if you are able to control this insulin, obviously the diabetes will not come. Okay. Now the situation is around 30% girls are suffering from PCOD, PCOS. They are not getting simple periods. Okay, they have to take pills for it. There are so many people who are suffering from thyroid. There are so many people who are suffering from indigestion, suffering from skin issues, suffering from hair loss. All these things are somewhat related with your hormonal health. Okay, so if hormones are not balanced, definitely this will lead to a lot of health complications. Okay, how you will feel, how you will understand that you got messed up with your hormones. See, when you get up in the morning, why do you feel energized? Some people feel very energized. Some people, oh no, I don't want to get up and all. They have this thing in mind. So the only reason is, see, before you get up, there is one hormonal cocktail which is pumped in your body, so that you feel energized as you get up. Okay, but if your sleep was not proper, if you slept on, let's say, very on wrong time or whatever the uncomfort you had, and if sleep is not proper, those hormones which are getting released just before you get up, they will not get released properly, and the whole day you will feel dizziness, or you will feel like you are not okay to go for work, you are tired and all. Okay, and so how you feel throughout the day, if you are not feeling right from couple of days or so, definitely there is some issue with your hormones. Let's say you are getting a lot of anger, or you suddenly realize like your digestion is not proper, because and you have not taken any wrong food and all, still you feel your digestion is not proper, you are getting a lot of issues in your skin, or you are facing severe hair loss. On behind of almost 70-80% diseases, you will find some hormone working, whether they are excessive getting released, or they are not released properly, or they are not released in proper time. Okay, so this hormonal health is very important to understand and to balance. Okay, now when we talk about hormonal balance, what we can do is that is more important than understanding how it can negatively affect. Okay, so see, any hormone. I'll tell you one story of one of my client who enrolled the program around 1 month ago, and when he enrolled, he was telling one issue that he used to feel depressed every day. But after around 30 days, I had a call with him yesterday, and he was telling he totally forgot what actually depression is. Okay, so see, there is no panacea apart from exercise for all these hormonal imbalance. Okay, obviously few things will help you out, but exercise, going for long walk, is the cheapest and the best thing you can do if you feel any kind of hormonal imbalance. For example, you can try one thing, that the day you feel uncomfortable, you go for a long walk. The day you feel somewhat frustrated, you go for a long walk. You go for exercise. I can bet on this that you will feel good. Because once those hormones which were creating disturbances, once they are fixed for a certain time, definitely you will feel good. Okay, so if you have a proper exercise routine, definitely you are not going to feel any of these issues what I mentioned till now. You are not going to feel get any diabetes, you are not going to get heart health, you are not going to any heart attacks and all, you are not going to feel issues with your skin, your hair, all these things. Okay, so first thing is no matter what it takes, go for exercise, go for walking. There is no other option. Now, second thing what we can do is we can correct our portion sizes. What we eat, how much we eat. Okay, so see, if you just take a normal plate, what a normal Indian has. If you are from North India, usually you have rice or roti along with some dal and sabji. This is the normal diet what people have. And if you are from South India, you'll have idli, sambar, dosa with chutney and all. Chutney, rasam, all these things. See, if you just notice, your whole diet is somewhat centered toward carbs, and that too very simple carbs. Okay, and let's say you are taking these simple carbs, refined carbs. What will happen is they are going to again imbalance your hormones. You take insulin. Okay, if you are taking a lot of simple carb, definitely the amount of sugar which is going to your blood is going to increase. So once that sugar is increased, definitely your insulin has to be released more from your pancreas. Once that insulin is released more, other hormones are also imbalanced because of this insulin quantity is imbalanced. Okay, so first thing you will develop insulin resistance. That is how people will develop diabetes. At the same time, since insulin is released more, other hormones also get disturbed. So because of those disturbances, you will start having other issues. Okay, so if you are correcting your diet as well, for example, your plate should look like it has certain amount of complex carb, it should have good amount of fat, it should have good amount of protein. So all these three micronutrients, you should have good amount of vitamins and all, so that your diet is balanced. See, why I like a lot having khichdi. I almost eat every day khichdi, because khichdi is complete protein. How it is complete protein? Because you have a lot of dal in that. See, when I make khichdi, I make sure that around 60% is dal, 40% in 40% you'll have all this water and all these things. Okay, so you ensure that the quantity of protein is proper. You ensure that the quantity of fat is proper. I'm not talking about bad fat. I'm not talking about processed fat and all. Okay, like junk food you take, in that fat is there. I'm not talking about that fat. I'm talking about normal. Let's say you take ghee, you take coconut. So all these things are good fat. You can include all these things in your diet. You can have good amount of protein. You can have salad in your meals. So if you are just correcting certain things, definitely your hormonal health is going to be improved, and definitely your whole life actually that see what actually the life is. It's like a combination of different days. Okay, so every single day, if you are able to cherish, if you are able to enjoy, definitely your life is going to be super happy. Okay, so if you are not feeling great from inside, whatever the achievement you have, if you are not feeling good from inside, like you are not feeling healthy, you are not feeling happy, nothing is going to work out. Okay, you can have a lot of money and you can spend all the money in your hospital. Okay, so make sure you are not avoiding exercise. How much you are busy, whatever it takes, go for exercise, 15-20 minute exercise, or go for 10,000 steps at least. Correct your portions, correct your meals. See, when we talk about hormonal health, when it is imbalanced, there are certain things. If you there are certain seeds, if you take, they will try to balance your hormones. Okay, because seeds are like a powerful thing. I just noticed one thing. Lot of people, when they eat fruits, okay, especially let's say they have watermelon, they have that watermelon and they throw out the seeds. Okay, but the watermelon seeds are something very nutritious. They are very high in protein and different macronutrients. Okay, so it's important to understand little bit about food. You can Google all about these things. You will find that lot of information is available. And if you are not sure how you can do, you can always take help from someone who is expert in that. But ensure that you learn this skill, you learn what to eat, when to exercise, how to balance your hormones, so that life goes smoothly without disease. Okay, so take care, bye bye.